Greetings, my country people. One love and respect for you all. I hope that you are all doing well wherever you are from. Elections occur so that we can practice our democratic right. We have a right to elect the leader we so desire to see in power, right? These elections determine the fate of the nation, and in our nation's electoral history, we have survived many post-election violence. To avert this violence, we need to be open-minded and be susceptible to change so that there can be sustainable peace before, during, and after elections. If there is a need to amend the constitution before going to an election, let the amendment be done so as to avert any electoral injustice. In this scenario, we need to amend the constitution on how we derive at a presidential electoral winner. If there is a division in the commission that runs election before releasing the results, if at all any division occurs, then it should be considered null and void. Amending Article 139 of our constitution means that we need to resolve the issues of an election before facing any other election, so that there might be sustainable peace. There will be no need to amend the constitution if the current constitution had no challenges. Suppose one candidate has more members elected on a party ticket. This can be used as a means of deriving at a presidential winner. If the opponent has lesser members elected on a party ticket, if we only amend the constitution, we cannot limit ourselves to one pattern of thinking. We must amend the constitution before going into any election for equality and justice sake. We must amend the constitution before going into any election. Thank you.